Hello fellow cleaning contractors, Kevin Enderly with the Pump Man, www.cleaningpumps.com, and purpose of my video today is to show you a custom truck build we just finished doing fabrication on late last night. This build was done for Eric Mills at Clean 425 down in the Seattle area, and I'm going to show you what it is that we've given Eric and his crew here. Behind door number 1 we have a Hannay manifoldless electric reel. We have given Eric and the guys a water spigot output, so if you have to fill buckets or anything, it's also a good thing for doing rinse downs on equipment, as well as for like a safety eye wash station. We also have an air outlet from the onboard compressor, as well as an input line for him to fill the onboard sodium hypochlorite tank. Behind door number 2 we have a Hannay reel for his pressure washing hose. He has a Tsunami water separator system, and back in here got a 1-inch Price air diaphragm pump with the on-off air valve on it. And behind door number 3 we have our water reel system. This consists of 2 Hannay reels, stacked configuration and a custom mount. The bottom reel is his input reel, which allows him to supply input to a number of points on the truck. And the top reel, which can be turned on and off by a valve, is his output reel, so he can use that to do roof rinses or whatever else he might need. And then going around the back, we've got our secondary water distribution system, and that consists of an input filter, and then we have an output line that goes to his fill tank, or his mix tank, as well as a line to go to feed his pressure washer. I'll get up in here. This is the enclosure that the other side of the enclosure that we did, which gives him lots and lots of shelving room. We have a 200-gallon buffer, or 225-gallon buffer for him. That is a Eaton compressor, as well as his pressure washer. And then we've got our tank system here, and that line there that comes up and loops over is for his top tank, and that supplies the that's a sodium hypo tank. You've got our valve system there, I'm sorry, our vent system there. Both tanks are vented out the back of the truck, which of course is the design that I push on the industry. And then this is our transfer system. It allows us to take the output from the top tank and put it into the mix tank down below. So he just simply turns that valve on to let SH in, and he turns that valve on to let the water in. And then of course that's our output line that goes into our pump. So that's it. www.cleaningpumps.com if you want to have one built for yourself. And 360-410-9902 if you have any questions.